Hey guys, welcome to Cute Tea Drawings. Today I'll be drawing a candy cane. I'll be drawing on my tablet, but you can also follow along on paper, and please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. Okay, let's first start off by drawing the bow. Let's start with a circle. Now on top, let's draw a curve up to the left and back in. And then another curve back in underneath. Now let's do the same thing on the right side on an angle. Next inside, let's draw a small curve up and back down. Now let's draw the pieces of ribbon underneath. Underneath the circle, let's draw two curves down and out. Then another smaller line on top, and a curve to close off each end. And that's it for the bow. Now let's draw the shape of the candy cane. Let's start underneath the bow and let's draw two angled lines down and over to the left side. And then a curve at the bottom. Now top back up and let's continue both of these lines up on top of the bow. And then let's curve both of them over and back down like this. And then close off the end with a curve across. Now that we have the shape of the candy cane, let's move inside and let's draw the stripes. Let's start at the bottom and let's draw two diagonal lines. And then work our way up and all the way around. And that's it for this candy cane. Now let's quickly color it in. And done. Hope you enjoyed drawing along with me, and please remember to hit that like button and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching!